Let me say something here to all of y'all, to my friends and family out there on social media. This is your host, Bobby Collier. Okay? Basically represent the House of Common Sense on YouTube. Common Sense 95 on TikTok. Don't let one monkey stop your show. Listen to me now. Don't let one monkey stop your show. You see, you got people out here who are trying to break your flow. All right? Because, see, it's one thing about our people, all right? They don't want to see their people do good. And I'm talking about black folks. Okay? Yeah. I'm talking about black folks. Yeah. Yeah. There's a lot of black folks. Okay? A lot of black folks don't want to see other black folks do good. See? Don't let one monkey stop your show. All right? If one door closes in your face, knock on another door. Huh? Don't let one monkey stop your show. All right? If you get one no, huh? Don't stop. Ask somebody else. See? Don't let one monkey stop your show. See, especially when you're dealing with, and I'm gonna say black people because black folks can't really talk about the white man, because a lot of y'all black folks, y'all fucked up too. Yeah. You the most spitefulest, envious, jealous-hearted people on the face of this earth. A lot of times you do stuff just to spite. Huh? If you think somebody got more than you, you're jealous of them. You're hateful. Yeah. You're mean. You're evil. See? And you try to stop somebody's show. Okay? You keep people dragging, especially if they're depending on you for something. Huh? Yeah. If they need some information from you, you'll be the last one to know. See, don't let one monkey stop your show. Yeah. Don't let these haters out here stop your flow. See, I know why some of y'all don't like me. Huh? Yeah. You don't like me because you ain't me. See? You're jealous of me because I can do what I want to do. But see, let me tell you something. I paid the cost to be the damn boss. Huh? I don't put my time in. I'm 69 years old. I don't have to work. Don't get mad at me because you got to work every day and I don't. I work when I get ready. Okay? Hmm? Don't get mad at me because my house paid for and you still making house payment. You still making house payment because see, you wanna you want to look good. You want to impress your large brothers and your large sisters. So you got to have the big, fine, pretty house. Huh? You got to have a $300,000 house, and by the time you get it financed, you're in a $500,000 worth of debt. Okay, so you got a debt monkey. Okay, on your back. Hmm? See, I bought a fixer-upper house. Huh? For $25,000. Hmm? You bought one for 300 and some thousand. Yeah, and them payments kicking you in your ass. I bought one for 25,000, put 60,000 in it, but I got the deed to my house. Yeah. See, I didn't have to have a big, fine, pretty house. See, it's all about surviving. Yeah. My house costs less than yours, but it's just as good as yours or better. But my house was built back in the 60s where they put good wood in the house. Yeah. See, and I got a brick house. Huh? So you got to have them Mercedes and them BMWs to ride around in. I don't have to have that. Huh? I got an old 2008 Chrysler, a 2010 van that I drive around in. All right? See, I own big car payments. Both of my vehicles paid for. Huh? Don't get mad at me because I got it better than you. Huh? But see, I didn't let one monkey stop my show. I don't try to live above my means. I don't try to impress people. I don't try to keep up with the Joneses. Fuck the Joneses. Okay? It's about survival. I buy what I need versus what I want. I don't have to wear name brand clothes and shoes. Huh? I go shopping at Walmart. Yeah. See? Yeah, I got 5 or 6 suits. I got some nice shoes and all that stuff, but they ain't name brand shit. When I put them on here, I look just as good as you with that name brand shit on. See? Don't let one monkey stop your show. Yeah. People to try to hold you back. See, we the only people on the face of this earth as black folk don't like to see our own people do good. Huh? Yeah.